Hey, how's it going guys? Tech Notice here, and I usually don't have sorts of stuff like this on my channel. However, I did pick up a brand new multi-tool. This goes for $60 to $70, so as a knife is not worth it at all, but for a multi-tool and what I do, I'm probably going to be using this quite often. So just a heads up guys, I am going to be going to travel quite a bit throughout this month, so expect something different other than this desk setup right here. I will be doing a bunch more tech videos, probably a bunch more unboxings. Wherever I go, I'm going to find a store that has something for you guys, so stay tuned to this channel. If you guys haven't already done so, just hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Now for this multi-tool right here, we have a Gerber Crucial, if I'm saying that correctly, but it has a bunch of stuff in here. As I mentioned, it's roughly about $70 at max, so if you guys want to pick it up yourself, it is going to be really awesome, but it is very expensive. Now we're going to flip everything up and I'm going to show you guys exactly what it has. Now the first one I'm going to flip up right here is pretty useless. It's sort of like a hook. I don't know what I would be using this for. Probably like maybe rock climbing. I can hook it onto something and whatever, but other than that, it's pretty useless. Now the more important one here is this knife. It has this serrated end. I feel like I can use it quite a bit for cutting boxes and whatnot. So I will be showing you guys in a few seconds here exactly how sharp this thing is. I'm not going to be expecting it to be like razor sharp like a samurai, but it should be enough for me to cut open a box or whatever product it is. Now let's push that inside because it's a little bit more dangerous. And let's see what we have on this end. So this seems like we have maybe a can opener, or this might be a 3 or 4 Phillips screwdriver. I don't know what this is exactly. Just the shape alone, I honestly don't know what it is. If it was the Phillips screwdriver, you guys would have 3 end. This one doesn't, so it's more like a flat thing. Maybe to pry up products or whatever. It is locked up here quite a bit, so seems like we have another end right here. This is definitely a flathead screwdriver. You guys can use it for anything else, but at the moment here, it's flat. And you guys can use it for just a normal screw if it does fit. And one thing that was really hidden to me here, it wasn't anywhere on the box. Alright, and now let's check them all out at one time and see how cool it looks. So we'll put them at an angle right here, and I don't know if it has anything else. I honestly just purchased this, so I don't really know what it even has inside. The box doesn't really say anything. All I've seen in the box is just this hook and this flathead over here, so I'm just figuring things out still. So yeah guys, this seems like it's pretty much it. It doesn't seem like there is anything else. There's only 4 on here. We have this little hook thing. We have a screwdriver that looks like a Phillip, a flathead, and we have this knife. I honestly brought this just for the knife itself to unbox things, but for 70 bucks right now, I don't think it's worth it at all. Like for a multi-tool, it doesn't seem that multi. Like it seems like there's only 4 things and 3 of them are pretty useless. Alright guys, so just looking at the manual a little bit, I did find out that you have to bend it up a little bit and you will have this plier sort of thing. So let's check it out and see how we can get this working. Before we do that, we're going to close it all up just to make sure that I'm not going to cut myself. But how do we do this? Let's see. Oh, and not to mention, we do have this little hook, this clip, so you can click it on your belt, which I'm not going to be using like ever. And it seems like to close any of this, you're going to have to unhook this down, which is safe, but it makes it a little bit more complicated. So we bend the middle part open, so we have the black and the white one. Right now, it kind of looks like a boomerang, which is really cool. I mean, and then we'll try to bend it out, see what it does here. And I think I'm going to start to cut myself somehow here. Let's keep doing it. Oh yeah, and just a little bit more bending. This finally comes out, so you guys have a big plier right here, which should be good for what? I don't know. We can bend phones, I guess. I don't know. But let's check out this iPhone right here, and we'll press down on it. Yeah, I can hold it, and I can definitely crush this phone if I wanted to. I don't know why I wanted to. I don't know why I would want to, but I can definitely do it. But anyways, we're going to be talking about the knife here, so let me close this up really quickly. And let's see how well it's going to be working for what my daily use is going to be. So the main purpose of me getting this thing was for the knife, as I mentioned before. So this better be worth it. Like for 70 bucks, I'm going to be testing it right now. Of course, we have a box right here that's already opened up. And we have the other side that hasn't been cut open yet. So we're going to try this out. We'll flip open this side for the knife. And I wouldn't expect it to be much better than a normal maybe scissor or knife would be. But hopefully this can do a bunch more. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to be doing with this. But I'm going to be in a lot of Asian countries in Southeast Asia. And then I'm going to be heading down to Mexico. So hopefully this can last me throughout the entire time. And let's check it out here. Bam. So pretty simple. You guys can definitely open up a box. We'll cut it up right here. And yeah, for sure. Let's see if we can cut up the sides. Bam. So very sharp here. And for the serrated end, I can guess I can cut up some steak. If I'm having some nice steak, I can, you know, bam, start grinding it like this. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it for this multi-tool. It's not something I usually review on this channel, but it's nice anyways. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up of what I'm going to be doing in the next couple of weeks. So expect a bunch more awesome videos. Alright, and this should be it for this Gerber Crucial, and this is it for this video as well. I hope you guys enjoyed videos like this. A bunch more is coming your way. Please stay tuned, subscribe if you guys haven't done already. If you guys have, don't click that subscribe button because you're gonna be unsubscribed. But yeah, once again, peace out.